I would like to formally introduce myself. My name is Mardy Pinil Loreto. I am your host tonight, and this is Chrysler and Emmanuel's wedding reception program. Before we welcome the entourage and of course our couple, can we give ourselves a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? And I need more energy tonight. Can we give ourselves a big round of applause? Thank you so much, and hopefully you'll be more generous with your applause as we go on with our program tonight. So at this point, please allow me to introduce to all of you the VIPs of tonight's celebration.
Can I have your attention, please, for one more time?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Owen Claire V. Hackett, Miss Maria Lynn D. Palagchosa, Mrs. Isa Ray N. Labrador, Mrs. June Antoinette D. Garcia, and Miss Ginabel A. Estender. Here they are, our bridesmaids of tonight's beautiful celebration of love. A round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, we have very charming and beautiful bridesmaids. And at this point, right over here, and then you can proceed to your chairs. Or do you have your dance? Manayaw mo? Manayaw sila, of course. Dito sa tubangan, right here in front.
Can I have your attention, please, for one more time? She tastes like cola, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she can't stop your diet, baby. You don't have to.
Uman ako, no? Okay na to? A big round of applause, please. Wow. They call themselves the sex bomb. Hopefully later makasayaw sila gusto. Alright, and at this point, our groomsmen, medyo ubay-ubay ni sila. And we're gonna begin with Giovanni and Ray, also known as Giovanni Goliath and Ray Valera.
Bailame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba.
Sunod lang ka, sir. Sunod lang ka niya.
Bailame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito.
A big round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. At this point, we have our second pair, Michael and Roberto, also known as Michael Jordan and Don Robertos. Nauna atong disco karong gabi huna. At this point, James, Jermaine, and Ivan, and they're also known as James Yap, Jermaine Walker, and Ivan Kenshin. A big hand, please, everybody.
Wait, sao mới gặp lần đầu mà đôi mình quay. Anh ơi anh à, anh có bùa gì mà lại làm em yêu vậy? Baby, em nói từ đầu, baby can you stay? Mai kia coi ngày, sau cái ngày nào thì nhà mình đóng con.
Thank you very much. At this point, Roger and Ross, and they also call themselves Lolo and Biden. Pakita daw minsan yung pinakakusgan nga moves. Nga, murag gila na. Maramag si Tom and Jerry Gilanan. Thank you so much. And right now, our junior bridesmaids. Please welcome Simone Paula D. Quiñanola. We also have Miss Du Geisha R. Fabiliar, Miss Tiffany Rose D. Quiñanola, and Miss Dominique D. Yee. Another round of applause, please.
I'm on my baby Chili's. I'm on my baby back rib. I'm on my baby Chili's baby back rib.
Barbecue sauce.
I'm on my baby Chili's. I'm on my baby back rib. I'm on my baby Chili's baby back rib.
Barbecue sauce.
I'm on my baby back, baby back, baby back. I'm on my baby back, baby back, baby back.
Thank you very much. And right now, from the junior bridesmaids to our junior groomsmen, please welcome. Thank you so much. And at this point, we are moments away from welcoming our couple. We will now have our matrons of honor and our best man. Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Bulim Claire C. Sperago. We also have Mrs. Krisha Monique Pershankula. And our best man, Mr. Edmar Quillope and Mr. Gus Anthony Bacalso. Without the freestyle. Big hand, please. At this point, I would like to request all of you to please rise for the big moment. Here they are. After 25 long years, everybody's a witness as they tie the knot together. A union.
What if I never knew? What if I never found you? I'd never have this feeling in my heart.
How did this come to be? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart I knew, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul,
I give my love to heaven home.
and as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny.
This is the most romantic part of our celebration. Nothing is more romantic than dancing with the love of your life. Another round of applause, please. And there, you're gonna continue dancing. You will wear your sashes right now. So all you need to do is to join our couple. You need to have your envelope or your cash, of course, with your pins. Just pin it onto the white sashes that they are wearing. Family and friends, this is the prosperity dance.
But now you're always there.
Right over there with our coordinator. If you need assistance, just raise your hand.
Baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul,
Give my love to heaven home.
and as far as I can see, you were always meant to be
My
destiny.
oh,
Maybe all we need is just a little faith.
all I've longed to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you would be mine. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here with forevermore. Time and again, there are these changes that we cannot end. It's just time keeps going on and on. My love for you will be forever. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world as endless as forever. Our love will stay together. You're all I need to be here with
Hey, have you ever tried reaching out for the other side? And maybe climbing on rainbows, but baby, you're a ghost. Dreams live for those who sleep. Life is for us to live. And if it chose the word of life to help me through, I wanna make it real. How critically it made it and every little thing only time will tell. If you believe the things that I did, then you'll see life can't be short or long. Love can't be right or wrong. If it chose the word of
their dreams, their golden sleep. Life is for us to live. And if you're wondering what this song is leading to, I wanna make it with you. How would it feel if we could make it right? How would it feel if we could make it, girl? There is only you in my life. You're everything that's mine. My first love, you're every breath that I take, you're every step I make. I want to share all my love with you. I'll be a fool for you, I'm sure. You know I don't mind, 'cause you mean the world to me. I found in you my endless love. Oh love, I'll be a fool for you, I'm sure. You know I don't mind, but you'll be the only one. No one can deny this love I have inside, and I give it all to you. My love, my endless love.
Thank you. So very simple, no? I have a question right here. I have a set of questions. If you think the answer is bride, just raise the footwear of the bride. If you think the answer is groom, then just raise the footwear, the shoes of the groom. All right. So I have nine. And then later on, after this, I have 5 questions for everybody. And I prepare si bride and groom yung prizes to those who can get the correct answer. All right, ready na ba si bride and groom? Of course. All right. So first question. Who said I love you first? 1, 2. Ay, ganahan ko. How did you say it? Gusto niyo pagsulti, asa ka ni sulti?
Sa personal o sa text?
Ay, duha ka category day ni. O sa may naunahang personal or ang text?
Sa text ko first.
Ay, sana all. Unsa iyang reply?
I love you too, ah.
Ay, alangan, of course. Sa personal ikaw, yung sa this aman kaningon nga I love you. Ano to? Di ba? Kanus apa man da ito? Kanus apa to? Ay, kada sila magkita na, I love you. Nabi, I love you too. Wow. All right. So the answer is bride. Next question. I think related silang dua. Who fell in love first? 1, 2. Ay, so kamo daw dua. Kay love at first sight ang ilang nabati sa usa. Asa no unang nagkita? I hope nakalandong pa mo.
Dapit ras ilaha, actually.
Ay. Silingan mo.
Dili. Blacks ra. Black.
So magkita. Ato mo magkita. Ay, intentional. Na ako kay mag-text man ta, di ba?
1% unta jud. Tungod na siyang friend.
Ah, kani ato mga friends no, mga accessory to the crime. Next, who was the first to set up a date? Kinsa man jud ang nikapag-date og una. Ready? 1, 2. Unsa man jud, sir? Kanang tinuod. Kinsa mo nag-date og una, ikaw or siya?
Ako, ni-invite.
Ikaw. Siya ko ni-invite. Di sa mo unang nag-date, if you can still remember.
Wala, roaming around ra.
Ay, lamin na yung ano, one big tuyok. O, human mga on. Ana na siya. Next question. Who is the biggest flirt? Kaingon sila, you need to flirt every day. Oh my God. Ay, yun sa kanya pag-flirt. Murag nga ay kuan, ay mong uwang nga iro, alas 12 sa gabi. Yung sa kuno ni Moto? Moto, ana.
Manguhit na ko.
Ay, manguhit, mga blit na siya in the middle of the night. Kids, don't do this at home, ha? Next question. Who is more likely to start an argument? 1, 2. Ay, as in, kaingon sila mga babae man daw. So ikaw, sa inyong relationship siya, o sa last ninyong giawayan?
Ganina.
Di ba? Siya ba gauna-una?
Okay, nagsapot siya kay Hugo pag ang house.
Olimpiado di si Emmanuel. All right. Next question. Who proposed? Kinsa man Ginny proposed? 1, 2. Ganahan ko aning ilang relasyon. Giyon sa nimo pag-propose. Kay basin na yung mga girls din ha, kay it's so unconventional, pero acceptable na po. Giyon sa nimo pag-propose.
Ano ko, basig na pa siya lain.
Kasi pa siya lain?
Oo, di siya pakasal na ako, basig na pa siya lain.
So para to prove nga way lain gipakaslan kaniya. Ay, inaana ka bongga ang iyang pag-prove. This siya ni propose. Balay. This balay tinuon. Murag kuan ilang conversation kanang kuan lang. Quiet conversation lang siya kaayo. Wala na nakabalo, wala nag-picture-picture, wala nag-video-video. All right. Next question. Who paid on the first date? Kaya nagtuyok-tuyok mo, na nga on mo. Ready? Go! Ay, at least siya ang nagbayad. Next, ay kanisha. Who is the better kisser? 1, 2. Ay, kisa man. Ang ko nalaman nga ikaw kasi unang niingon. O, tinoon. Let's agree. O, si groom. Last question. Who is more likely to want more kids? 1, 2. So, pila man gyud ang imong ganahan?
2.
Ikaw, ma'am, pila imong ganahan? Kay duha ra man iya. Una-una, ikaw na magsabak, di siya. Pila imong ganahan?
20.
Ay, 20. Ha? Mas daghan, the more, the many-er. A round of applause, please, to our couple. A symbol of fertility and the beginning of a shared life. Ganahan si Brad og 20 kabog kids. Mao na siya. And then after that, they're gonna feed each other with that slice of cake, a symbol of their sweet life ahead as they continue to build their family together. All right, so we would like to request our groom, Emmanuel, to please feed your wife first. Oh, dapat. We would like to request Chrysler right here on the other side. Ay, kadako. The bigger the slice, the bigger the love. Mauna siya. The bigger the better. Ano yung mga what? Ka-sweet. So we're gonna request our bride to please do the same to your husband. And they're gonna seal it with a kiss. Oh, yes, kiss. Ay, a round of applause, please. Right now, we'd like to request our best man for the best man. So, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gus or Gus Bacalso. A big, big hand, please, everybody.
Good evening, everybody. Let us get our glass and have a toast for the best couple of the night. In a count of 3, and may I ask everybody to stand up and get a glass so we can make our toast. Okay, for the best wishes, Eman and Cristel, toast.
Cheers, everybody!
Everybody cheers, kampai!
Kampai! And of course, they're gonna seal it with another kiss. Thank you so much. And thank you as well to Mr. Bacalso. Thank you so much, everyone. All right, so at this point, we're gonna have a dance number. And this will be given by Roger, Giovanni, Ross Arden, Michael Jackson Luwang. Where are you? Michael Jackson. To dance Barbie Girl by Aqua. Please welcome the Long Live Team.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. You're my doll, rock and roll, feel the glamour and pink. Kiss me here, touch me there, hanky panky.
You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours, I'm a Barbie
Our group is joining the Long Live Team.
life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Make me walk, make me talk, do whatever you please. I can act like a star, I can beg on my knees.
Come jump in, bimbo friend, let us do it again. Hit the town, fool around, let's go party.
You can touch, you can play.
Oh, exhibition na ni siya.
I'm always yours.
Ipakita tanan.
You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Oh, I'm having so much fun.
Well, Barbie, we're just getting started.
Oh, I love you, Ken.
A big, big hand, please, family and friends. And thank you so much to our groomsmen. A photo op.
I'm a public servant in back in our place, and then I've been with Eman for a long time already, since college. When I was watching the priest ganiha, nakaingon ko nga, pag-ingon sa pare, anas pare, okay. Nakaingon ko nga, kaila lagi ng paria ni Eman. There I knew, iya da igagaw. So nakaingon ko, ilado gyud because kaning tawhanan ni nakaingon jud ko, hala, nadakpan na gyud ang manatad. Sus Ginoo ko. I'm sorry, man. I'm the one holding the mic. You're sitting there. So just relax and I'm gonna smash you tonight. Iya kong gitawagan because he's trying to inform me nga magpakasal siya. When I ran through my schedule, it was my mom's flight to America today. So, ko nga, mama, pasaylo ako, mama. Murag lagi mas importanteng nakabukda. So, ako yung gipalabi. And it was my session today. So, it's my official leave today, bro, for you. That's how much I love you. Don't cry. Not yet. Not yet. I just want you to know, the moment that when I see you, believe me, we are with you all the time. Kami lang magsikuyog. Ha? When Ate Debbie called me to prepare a speech, ko nga, sa akong kagulingon, if I have to prepare a speech, it will take me one whole day to do my speech. And I don't need to prepare it. Because everything, it's still very clear inside my heart. The memories that we have done since college days, those wonderful days, the hate days of our lives. It was with my friend Eman. Ambot lang, maglibog lang jud ko namo sa una. We have a lot of friends, beautiful friends. Sa kadaghag bar diri sa Dumaguete Kasuruyan, nganong amo yung paboritong suruyan, ngadto may gusto arumahan sa kang mating. Ngit-ngit man to dito. I told you I'm gonna smash you tonight. Not you, not you. Remember? Spin the bottle? Dare or no dare? Or dare? Is it truth or dare? Magsabot din ni, huy, i-dare din ko ha. Kung sa'yo sunod, anak, kabalo na ta. But after nanganak si Cristel, I was also a ninong sa iyang anak. And also our beautiful friends, Ninang Pud. Aligri. We became good family friends, right? Di ba? So, noon yun. And then, karon, naghanang nausab sa kinabuhi. So, yeah. Karon, dako ng kausaban. We never expected this, man. Until this time, we're still here. And then, upaw-upaw na ta. Pero when nausab, mas gwapo paghapon ka nako. And then, siya maguto yung frontliner sa una. Nagito yung makita na mong chicks. Man, ikaw, kita din dito. Sunod rami. Only yung frontliner na mo. Frontliner. Kugihan mo kaya siya sa una, God. Ya, dayon, mangaon mi og binarato nga pagkaon para makaamot lang mig paret og mainom. Diba? Student life. Pero karon as we change, sa Yumi na nakagraduate sa amuang kalingawan sa una, and I'm so glad watching his kids grow up, and another kids from before, yeah, growing up very beautiful and handsome, very smart, like daddy, and of course, like mommy. Asa naliwat, uy. Kaya ko nga, we're so lucky to be standing here in front of you, showing us what we got. Kaya kami sa una, ang among every time makita, may murag yapon may batanon estudyante, but now our kids are growing up. So it's a different priorities and priorities and kinahanglan na mong pag-atubangon. Every time I come to Dumaguete, once a year or twice a year, I drop by his house and then kining hatag dala kong regalo sa mga bata. Then just to say hi, I'm still alive, dude. So, muna siya, message lang nako, ako ba'y sabot ta sa una, magtaraw tas kinabuhi na to in the future, mahumantas na itong kapritso. I've been married for 15 years already. Pero ikaw, 20 ka tuig, usa pa ka nagpakasal. Whew! Isa may traidor na to, anin duharon. But I've seen your kids grow. I've seen you being a father, being very responsible. I know how you love your family. Your dad before, si Tito, naka-rescue pa ko ato sa una. And then, yeah, I remember that. And then, kuan ka na ganing, I know we choose this life na magtinarong ta. I know how a man you face now. Salamat sa imuhang pagpasensya sa akong amigo. No? Gatanaw ko ganihan nimo gwapa kay tanan galakaw sa aisle pa daw sa simbahan. Wala na gyud duha-duha. Nakaingon na jud ko nga sigurado jud kay ni bayhanan ni ay. Wala na gyud ni atras nganawan nakaingon jud ko nga grabihan niya ka love si Emma eh. Ne. Wala nga bro, congratulations. And I wish more beautiful days to come in our life, in your family. I wish nga moabot pag 20 inyong anak because mo na wish ni Cristel, 20 ka buok. Di ba, MC niya, 20 ka buok yung gusto. So I wish 20 kids along on your way. Okay na ko magninong. And then, remember all the time that our time when we were kids is over. This is not about us anymore. This is not about our lives anymore. This is about the life of our family and our kids. So, remember all the time nga, bro, I'm just a Facebook away. Naara ko dito, labang lang kong dagat sa lungsod na Nervicio Town, imong amigos, mga tao. Anytime you visit here, there, na kay mga parente taga-Argao, mga parente rapod nako, no? What a small world, karon na ito nagkabaw, mga kahigas, mga kuan. Asa man itong igsoon ni kuan? Itong adra, hay ate ta, ako iyana ko, taga-Argao. Karon na may nakita dire. So you know where to find me, bro. And I'm happy for both of you. And I know you will be having a good future ahead. Daghang salamat, may gabiin atong tanan.
Thank you so much to our best man, Mr. Bacalso. At this point, you'll also hear a message coming from one of our groomsmen, family and friends. Please welcome Mr. Ray Dante Ligaspi. Another round of applause, please.
I'm not really prepared for this particular speech tonight, no? And so I have a... dili prepared, pero na ako i-prepare. So medyo taas-taas ni, no? Mga 2 hours, okay na ba? Extend. Okay, so I would like to start with a sort of historical background, no? Kabahin sa mong friendship, no? As we see, si MM, daghan kini siyang mga barkada, no? Amigo. So, kining grupo ha diri, no? This is another set of friends, no? And particularly, sa iyahang mga, I'm not sure kung pila ka years nag-last, no? Pero a couple of years, no? So, kining mga naunga, lantawan ninyo. Murag, lisod og dili mahubog kada adlaw. Kabalos, Debbie, na? Lisod og dili mahubog kada adlaw. Milagro. Okay, we started between 1996 and 1997 sa Foundation University, dito may nagkita ini. So actually, medyo magulang ko nila. Pero mas bata-bata kog nawong. Okay ra ba to? Hindi, tagan akong chance kay imo man kasal. Ikaw mo'y bata-batag nawong. Okay. Ako 15 ako, si MM is 48. Kining uban, muraga 50 is 9. Nanay ka si tinta dire, to Brad, Michael. Si tinta na, di ra maila kay nawong, no? Okay, so we started a small crowd, no? MM, ako, si Roger, and we have this so-called friend na mo nga medyo namatay na. Si Anhing Piktoy, Kalumba. Okay? So, nagsugod mi actually upat, and then nagsugod-sugod na, no? Nana silang Brother Giovanni, silang Brother Milon. Ilado ni sa foundation kay anak man ni og kuan og din dito hadlok ba niya. No, and then si Brother Michael and then Roberto and then the rest of the friends, no. So sa maba nga panahon mga pila lang kabulano nga nagabot mi sa foundation ni kalitrag kadaghan among grupo. Kay tungod lagi puro mi hinamigo ba. Ilang mga friends nag-abot mi tanan. Baling daghanan na mo kayo atong panahon na. Atong panahon na ang uso atong motor-motor. No, sa usa ka motor magkakasanay tulo. And then moabot og bais, tanhay, bisag asa moabot no magmotor-motor and then inom-inom pud gamay. Okay? Walay pulis diri pidiya, drugs pud gamay. Gamay ra. Those were the days, no? Those were the days and we had so much fun, especially during Friday or shall I say Friday. Okay, Friday ganina lingaw gid kami ana, Friday na gini, inom na gini, laag na no. And we go home late or shall I say we go home early in the morning. Wa pay uli-uli. Mo panay pag-uli. Okay, si Debbie mamukaw na namo. Hoy, pamata na mo, pangao na mo kanas Debbie butan kay na. Mag-prepare nagpamahaw na mo. Unsa mi kabuluyagon. O magdasok may murag sardina sa kwartong sa una mga tulog. Pero buyag wala pa po'y namabdos na mo. Pero kaduda ko si Roger, nagkadako ning tiyan, di ko kumangko na na, Angay ka na. So, usa sa highlights na nakakalatawan, no? Na yung mga kauban na mo nga mag-uniform na nadaan og, mag-uniform na daan og ROTC. Okay? Makadumdum mo? Magdungan og motor, no? Magdungan og motor. Murag mga military. Kag-uniform nag-ROTC nga, no? Kay mabuntagan man, kay pagkaugma, training. Okay? Wala yung mga tulog, training ni sila. Ako, swerte ako ito panahon na, kay humanan ako ROTC. Okay? So, usa na sa highlights na mo, magkatawa na yun, no? And then, nabutong tragic nga moment sa amo ang event sa amo ang pagka-amigo, no? Nga namatay si Anhing Pictoy. Medyo tragic sa gyud kayo nga event kay sila gyud mismo nakakita pag disgrasya, no? Gamotor, galanat, mutik usog sa una, lanat og motor ba. Somewhere in San Jose, Amlan, kita gid sila nga nadamagan. Nadamagan na gyud. Nailain nga gamotor nadamagan. Okay? So ako to panahon na wala ko kakuyog. Kay nami retreat sa banda ko foundation sa una. So timing kayo nga wala ko kakuyog. So kini sila wala pa yung mga tulog, hugaw kaayo, giadto ko dito sa bakong ka-retreat ni Stella Maris. Nay kabulong nimo imo mga amigo gikuyawan ako. Nano koy feeling nga di na gid maayo. So pag approach na ako, ayaw ra kalain re ha. Patay na speak to eh. Sorry, medyo emotional ko gamay. Okay, so sa kalit nga hitabo na wala mga amigo, mo po to'y pagsugod sa nagagamay ang mga manag-amigo o amiga, no? Dagan kaming amiga sa una, dagan yung baying angkas, tagurha, tagutlog, angkas ng bayi. Ay, dili, day, duhara ba? Di na ko maihap tungkol sa kadagan. Anyways, daghan kaming baying kuyog, mga amiga rin na mo, ang uban na siguro yung mga relasyon. Pero, well, story about Anhing, Kerwin, and Karen. Di lang ako isulti na nga story, but it was a very nice story, love story, nga namugna tungod sa disgrasya sa pagkamatay ni Anhing Pictoy. Pero it's a long story, dili ko pwede magstoryaan na karon, no? But it was really a good love story. Pero I think bad ending. But anyways, muna ginang mayong tao sa nga everything has an end, okay? But I do believe that our friendship never ends. Until now, okay? We have flaws, we have weaknesses, each of us. But as a friend, we became strong, we become strong if we are united. Makita ni mo, no? Pasayawon, mosayaw ra pod, basag di ka balo mosayaw. Okay, niana na sila kabuang. Oo. Okay? So, maghisgot lang ko sa mga hangouts na to, no? At least madumduman ato itong atong mga standbayan sa una. Teaches kasi kadundom. Billiard Hall. Okay? Siliman Beach. Okay. San mo? Kaubantos aroma daga ito, sir, no? Usa ka maabot sa San mo, daghan kay dito. Mamaw rin sila og Boulevard, okay? Okay. So, I did some research about marriage, and I found out these articles, no? Actually, daghan ni siya, no? But I listed only 10 of those, okay? So, ang title niya is Killers of Marriage. Killers of Marriage. A sort of counsel as being a husband for how many years? Sorry. Di na madumduman pero dugay-dugay na. Among anak is 12 years old and we have 10 years in a relationship. So, tungkol sa kadugay sa panahon na mo sa akong asawa, di na ako kadumdum. But anyways, this is the number 1, no? Laziness. Laziness, lack of trust, lack of mutual respect, unforgiveness, bitterness, hatred, keeping secrets, poor communication, dishonesty, and nagging. So, ako lang i-remind ka nga, the sister of your wife becomes your sister-in-law. Am I right? Right. The brother of your wife becomes your brother-in-law. The mother of your wife becomes your mother-in-law. The father of your wife becomes your father-in-law. And your wife becomes the law. Balaod na yung mga asawa. Mura to. Salamat kayo.
Basig nakainomdom pa ni sila sa Kitantulo na nanganak si Ubang sa ospital. Gaaway ning duha. Ni pauli si MM. Ni gaaway. Ako mo'y papirmahon sa doktor. Ikaakaw amahan? Kung dili, dok. Upauli sa kudok kay ag-amahan. Ni pauli pa po. Kikaaway ng duha. Hatod na ako ni silang duha dito. Karon, akong gikuha si MM. Maluoy ka. Kay dili ako'y amahan, ana. Ikaw na ning kamot, ana, imong ipasa na ako. Sa amara po ning kuan, barkada, kani sila. Tanan Mega Esquilas Foundation. Mura na. Salamat kayo.
Thank you so much. Wag ko ka ni perma, kay dili imo. Sadya ning barkadahan ni. Thank you so much, everybody, and to all of you who gave your messages, thank you very much. All right. So, right now, can we, naabot yung mga single ng mga girls right over here? O, atong tawago ng mga single. Ako ipatawag. Okay, so dali mo girls. O, dali on this side. O, dali. Paliw ko guide. O, naatay mga junior bridesmaids ng atong, naapo dali ang atong maid of honor. Si Sir, ato siyang ibutangan og pin. O, ang dili makakuha sa pin, siya na ang out. O, sige. Wala? Asa man imong uyab? Pila na mo katuig?
Bag-ura.
Bag-ura? Or karon pa ningon nga nay uyab? Karon pa nay uyab? Karon pa ro ka nagka-uyab. Mo sa imong ganahan sa usa ka lalaki. Kanang?
Dili but-buton.
Wala ka ng dili but-buton ko, no? Ay. Unsa nang dili but-buton? Alright. Sige. So, inyong ko English man lagi ning ato ipanguha. Gaining, who is this? Who is this? English mo tanan? Kasabot na mong Bisaya, dili. Ha? Gamay. Ikaw kasabot kag Bisaya. Ari na lang, dili kami nila magdula. All right. So, you're gonna get the pin. The pin is pinned on this pinnable man. So, inyong kuha ng pin. Kung kinsa dili makakuha sa pin, out na siya. Alright? So, you need to get the pin. If you're not able to get any pin, just one pin, you're out. The pin is all over the place. On his shirt. Oh, sige. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go!
Estamos en vivo.
Sa shirt lang, sa shirt.
Que vamos,
Ay, grabe si... Grabe naman. We have a winner, everybody! Congratulations, girls. Thank you so much for joining. Actually, accessories na mo tanan. Kay kanigod among ganahang padag-on. Congratulations! Thank you so much for joining. Oh, you can now take your seats. Oh, di ba mga social kay sila? Oh, what happened to my makeup? Ha? Ha? Nasa third eye kay nakita siya og pin. Okay na mo? Oh, thank you so much. You can go back to your country. Charot. Sorry, Tito. Tito! Okay, me tita, alidre. Ha? Wala, you're in. You're the winner. Alright. So, diri ka, sir. Si Sir Ila. Introduce yourself.
I am James.
Bell. Ay, okay. Natay garter dira. Oh, where's the garter? Okay, ato ipatawad ang garter. Natawran na ka garter before? Wala pa? Is it okay? Tama na sa tuhod? Of course. Ayun. Di ko tama na sa tuhod siya. Okay na ilapos. Ilapos sa koto-koto ang iyang ganahan, sir. Oh, para mawala mga kabuhi. Nato din, ha? Okay na ko na busliog. O sige, ato tagaan si bride. Kuha na siya ron, future bride na ni siya. Pero binuang ra na siya, ay ragkabalaka. One chair for her. Sir, imo na siyang itaod ang garter. Please take your seat. And then, dito ka sir, diri ka. Imo na siyang itaod. And then, kinahanglan ka mo sayaw pagtaod, ana. Ready? Para po mo kuha ng garter, mo mataod na to ang garter diri. Ganahan mo makita ni Tito ang mo sayaw? Ay, of course. Ready? Tito. 3, 2, 1, and dance. Sayaw, Tito. Wala no, si Tito sumayaw. Asa ka Dito magpipi. Magpipi. Tao sa mani. Sir, dili na siya, sir. Ayaw, nurse man. Dito sa silong. Ha? Tama na sa tuhod. Tama na sa tuhod. Ayaw ka ba lang? Uy, magkawang tayo mga 190 over 50. Higher ko na, sir. Okay na? A big round of applause, please. Please have your photo taken together with the bride and groom. Picture muna right there. Kayo mo human na tawa, pata na human. Groomsmen. Groomsmen. Sir, alit dire. Groomsmen. Natay prize sa atong winner. Ayaw kabalaka. Groomsmen. Akong tawagan sa mga groomsmen, no? Atong mga groomsmen, si Ray Valera, si Giovanni Gulayat, si Lolo, si Biden, si Michael Jackson, si Jermaine Walker, Ivan Kenshin, James Yap, and Don Robertos. Muna siya mga ngalang gipanghatag ka na ako. Sir, dalita sir. Si sir no kay pwede siya mo speech, pwede siya mo kuan po, mo hatag og mensahe. Alright, pero karon sir, magpili ta og kinsa ang atong winner. Asa naman to ato mga kuan? Dire. Dire, sayo na kayo na siya nga dula. Dire. Ali dire sir. Kuan na ni sir kanang sulti lang kung kinsa imong kamukhang artista. Ana ra ni sayo ra ni. Magkamulo ko puro mga artista tanan. Sige. Siya si candidate number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Ato nin daogon og palakpakan unya pag human nila og introduce. Sige. Sir, kamukhang artista.
Sir, foreign or
ikaw sa man gud imong ganahan sir, foreign or local?
Pangutana raman. Lokal na lang. Ningon sila si Smokey Manaloto. Kasi kaabot si Smokey Manaloto.
Ikaw rin nakaabot, sir. Charot lang. Home Along the Riles. O sige, Smokey Manaloto. Nakailan mo ng Smokey Manaloto? Ikaw, sir. Kinsa man ka, sir. Ayog alang-alang nga. Sige.
Chiquito.
Chiquito, kuno siya. Wala problema na. Smokey Manaloto, Chiquito. Ikaw, sir. Kinsa man ka?
Benji Paras.
Oy, Benji Paras for 3. Ikaw, sir. So, si Smokey Manaloto, si Chiquito, dahil si to ka, sir? Benji Paras o si Chiquito. Ikaw?
Philip Salvador, Agbuhok.
Ay, Philip Salvador. Sige, kada po makarelate ato mga batanon dire, sir. Kinsa man ka, sir?
Ikaw sa Salantaw, sa nimo.
Tagahan po nimong problema. Kinsa man ni siya? Si? Ay, Derek Ramsey. Ay, mama ni mo si? Elizabeth Ramsey. Sige. Padaghanay ta og clap, ha? Padaghanay og clap. Ang pinakadaghan og clap mo ay atong winner. Alright. Ready? Sa to, sir, si Smokey. Okay. Candidate number 1, Smokey Manaloto. May ganin, sir, na kay mga parinti. Alright. Kinsa to ta? Okay. Candidate number 2, Chiquito. Nagkadaghan. Hasa si Mr. Bacalso, ni clap ni mo, Chiquito. Alright. Candidate number 3, Benji Paras. Anak ko ni Shagit. Alright. Philip Salvador Agbuhok. Wa may nakauyon. Kani, ang akong friend nga si Derek Ramsey. So dito, naglibog ko kung kinsa man gyud. So ari ko diri sa atong bride and groom. Sige. Kasi pinakadaghan nila clap. Si Luwang daw og si Giovanni. Michael Luwang and Giovanni. Come on, the rest, please take your seat. Kaya among sila tagaan og premyo. Kaya atong i-open ang gift ninyo. Tagay gift si... Okay, rapod ka, sir? Unsa man ni? Ganahan ka, bipihan tikaw? Unsa man? Wow, ang parcel niabot na. Sige. Ihatag niya. Dapat dungan mo og abri sa inyong murag rice cooker, good ni siya. Sige. Abrihi ang inyong mga regalo, ang inyong mga prizes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Abrihi. Abrihi. Benji Paras o Chiquito. Abrihi. Pakit ami, ka-excited mi kung sa mani. Virgin coconut oil. Or kalamay hati, gikas sa Bohol. Ha?
Kisi. Wala pa makis-kisi agad.
Ay, ikaw na ko bahalaan na. Unsa may lain na diha. Pila kabok na sila. Ay, bayi og buto. Bayi og buto para mo daghan. Unsa mo na imo diha? Ay, pareha gihapon. Bayi pog buto. Ay, tulo na kabuok. Imo pod. Unsa imo mensahe para sa atong bride and groom?
Tinud-aray lang nga kuan. Sige po katawa ko ning. Gadadala po kundom ko.
Kung din na, mura bitaw. Ay! Hoy, dapat safe tang dapat safe ta. Sige, for your protection. Dapat 2 layers. Ano yung mensahe ni mo?
Kalipay ra, kalipay. Tinuda na nga kalipay.
Maura, imo sir, kay kalipay manggod iyang ganahan para ni Brandon Groom. Imo sa imong ganahan.
Congrats, and tanay nagbakos jud.
Ano sa imo nadawat? Kondom og lonok. Kana siya, imo na himong kaguro nimo na imong pabutangan og ipabutang sa kalaha, tay manggawas ng iyang mantika, mo na yung virgin coconut oil. Para Thank you so much. Congratulations to the both of you.